Hi YouTube, my name is Sarah and I am going to start making YouTube videos, and I have just always loved YouTube, and I always have wanted to contribute to YouTube and do my own thing and do some reviews and do some vlogs and stuff. So I really hope my kitty, meow, meow, come here. Sorry, a little bit interrupted, but anyways, I hope to make lots of cool new videos, and maybe my cat will be in some because she's already tried to make her appearance, apparently. She's got her little mouse baby. But anyways, expect some reviews and expect some vlogs because it is going to happen. So, this should be lots of fun. Yay! Kitty! Say bye! No? Okay. Well, bye YouTube!